Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android phone to iPhone. Let's have a look. Here I am going to use Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 16 running iOS 18.1 to test the WhatsApp data transfer feature in this video. Before I start, you need to meet the following requirements to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. An Android phone running version Android 5 or above, and an iPhone running iOS 15.5 or later. First, you need to reset your iPhone. So, back up your iPhone first and reset your iPhone. To reset your iPhone, first open Settings app, then tap General, then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Are you sure you want to erase all media, content and settings? This can't be undone. Tap Erase iPhone. Updating data to iCloud. Now enter your Apple ID password to confirm it's you. Then tap Turn Off on top right. This will start resetting your iPhone. Your phone will restart. After reset, you will see Hello screen. Swipe up. Now select Language, then select Country. Appearance, tap Continue. Tap Setup without another device. Tap Setup later in Settings. Now join your Wi-Fi network or tap Continue to use mobile data. I don't have any SIM card in my new iPhone, that's why I'm using Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to active your iPhone. Data and privacy, tap Continue. Tap Setup for myself. Face ID you can set up later. Passcode you can set up later. Transfer your apps and data. Tap from Android. Transfer from Android. Open Move to iOS on your Android device to get started. You can download it from below website. Tap Continue. Verification code. Enter this single-use code on your Android device. Now take your Android phone. From this Android phone, I'm going to transfer WhatsApp data with photos and videos and all text. You can see under Manage Storage, I have total 114 MB data. Now in your Android phone, open Play Store, tap Search button and on the search box, type Move to iOS. Tap Move to iOS and tap Install. When Move to iOS app installed on your Android phone, you can tap Open or tap Move to iOS. Tap Agree button and tap Continue. Again tap Agree, tap Automatically Send, tap Continue, tap While using the app, tap Continue, tap Allow. Connect via cable. Use the cable to connect this device to your iOS device to get started or continue with Wi-Fi. If you have too many WhatsApp data, you can use cable or tap continue to use Wi-Fi. Connect via code, tap continue. Enter single-use code. Enter the single-use code that's showing on your iPhone. Now select items to transfer. Using this Move to iOS app, you can transfer your messages, contacts, call history, WhatsApp and other data. Turn on WhatsApp. Now you will see Move Chats to iOS. Transfer your chat and media history to your new iPhone. You will not be able to transfer later if you skip this setup. Tap Start. Tap Next. Selected item, WhatsApp. Tap Continue. Transferring to iPhone. Transfer complete. Tap Done on your Android phone. Now take your iPhone and tap Continue. Set up your iPhone using your Apple ID and passcode. Right now my SIM card is in my Android phone. So I need to get the two-factor authentication code for my Apple ID from my Android phone. So enter the code on your iPhone and tap Agree. Set up mobile service, tap Set up later. Silent mode, tap continue. Action button, tap not now. Camera control, tap continue. Emergency SOS, tap continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Now open App Store on your iPhone. Tap search button, search for WhatsApp and download WhatsApp Messenger. Now you need to transfer SIM card from your Android phone to iPhone. So remove SIM tray and remove SIM card from your Android phone and insert the SIM card in your new iPhone. When SIM card active, open newly downloaded WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap agree and continue, tap allow, enter the phone number that you are using in your Android phone. Now enter the verification code. Immediately you will see move chats from Android. Tap start. Again tap start. Tap OK. Tap allow full access. This will start moving chats from Android. Chat history move to iPhone. Tap next. Tap continue. Tap allow full access. Now you need to enter your profile name and tap done. For passkey, tap not now. For mail address, tap not now. That's it. All data transferred from Android phone. Open chats and here you will see all photos and videos transferred from your Android phone. So these are the steps to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android phone to iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.